Namaskara, I am Dr. Krishan Chandra. Today I want to discuss to you how to prepare the granules, zymes, which is available in the market, sold in 5 kg, somewhere it is 1 kg. So how to prepare it? Last time I told you preparation of liquid form, chemical form zyme and biochemical form zyme. Two technology I have told you. Now the same material you have to use in the granule form. So what is granule? Granule actually it is a small types of your clay type of soil. People are making the small types of granules. So that granules are first is available in the Bhavnagar. So they are making it. Second is made in the Madhya Pradesh. So that is a roasted one. They are making the granule, then just heating it so that its moisture comes out and absorption power is more. Then third is coming from the our China. So that is a totally very good your pebbles type, granule type. It's very circular and that is full of chemicals. They are converting the urea, they are converting this all the chemicals and making this granule that contains urea. In fact, they are telling it is protein, but protein is very costly, just they are cheating it. Then phosphorus, same thing, chemical they are using it, MOP they are using it, and somewhere people are making it, but that is more costly granule, that is a protein from the hydrolysis from the soybean or from the your this corn. So this pebbles comes in the circular form and it costs 40 rupees to 50 rupees kg. So that people are using as a base material. These three things are as a base material, people are using it. So the people who is selling this zyme granule form in cheap rate, in bulk rate 20 rupees kg or in open market 5 kg pack 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 150, it is no fixed rate, it is up to 400, 500 rupees people are selling it. Depends upon the composition. So people, everybody is making at the home. How they are taking the granules, it costs in India's cost is 6 rupees to 7 rupees kg and from China it is coming is 44 rupees kg. So that they are what they have mixing seaweed, they are taking seaweed powder that is cost you 180 rupees to 200 rupees kg and mixing in the water 5%, 10% water. So suppose in water 10% they are maintaining this seaweed. Suppose you have taken 10 liter, so they are mixing only 1 kg and spraying on the your this granules. I am not able to show you granule because it is you know the corona situation. Otherwise, I was willing to demonstrate everything. So these types of granule just they are mixing in and packing in, selling it. So that cost is less. And other type of people, what they are doing, they are taking this seaweed in liquid form or powder form and mixing indole lactic acid, folic acid, gibberellic acid along with vitamins, along with your proteins, everything in one, then humic acid. So when you are mixing all the things, naturally cost is more and that also they are spraying it. So that is a zyme and that works better than first one I told you, simply seaweed. And third third what they are doing, they are same mixture putting on the granule of your China made pebbles, China mills this granule and selling it 100 rupees to 100 rupees kg because that contains chemicals and that gives quick results. People are in impression ki they are getting it, results with the granule, it is not there. It is inside all chemicals and all toxic chemicals are there. They are doing it which high pressure and temperature, they are changing it. in the chemical to other form. So that pebbles you are getting it. So this all three you will able to make it. Then second things it comes ki granule how to prepare in your house. So granule making house, it is nothing but your clay soil, or in pond whatever the your deposit in the bottom side soil, that you have to take it. Take a small this your sieve, bigger size, and put this your soil upside, wet soil, and bottom side you put the powder. So it will just like our sweet what you are making it. So it will come drop by drop, it will come down, it will be dry. So that is the granule that you also can use it for the carrier base. And other form you can make a pebbles, just like what you are playing the pebbles in the childhood, same pebbles you can make. When you are making the pebbles, you take the clay soil, dry clay soil, and mix this solution. What you have prepared, this seaweed, gibberellic acid, all acid, everything is mixed with the pebble, and then make a small pebbles in the hand. And that pebbles, if you are using in the field, that will be lost more and give you the better results. Again I tell you, this all the things what you are using it will not increase the production. It will slightly give you the greenness, some shining, but product it will cannot be converted into production. It will increase the cost of production, but benefits are not so much as people are claiming it. So better way, you have to go with the waste decomposers, liquid waste decomposer solution, what I told you. Prepare the micronutrient, prepare your leaf extract, prepare your stone element. That as much as you are using, you are going to get it, and 2 times, 3 times yield as people are getting. It is example of lakhs of people have reported, and they are getting the results. They have increased the production who is using last 2 years, 3 years, and it is tremendous change in the soil. So this will change these practices, what I told, it will change the soil, it will change the quality, but this using of this type of material, it is not going to change your soil or changing your fruits or reducing your quality, increasing the quality of the product. So that is only for your sake, your curiosity. I told you how to prepare this granule form and use it. So recommended dose is 5 kg per acre in granule form. So you may use it, but otherwise what I have told you, it is enough. And but even then, if you want to use it in commercial way, you can use it and see the results. Slightly changes will come, but again I tell you, production will not increase, soil will not change, it will as such. It is one time use, and every time you have to prepare and use it, you are increasing the cost. Thank you very much. I believe some basic thing I have given, basic knowledge, and accordingly in permutation combination, chemical some less or more you can put is no harm. It will just change your scenario, and according to the cost you can make it and pack it and use it up to 3 years, because generally its expiry is 3 years.